I need you. You need me. We're all a part of God's body. Stand with me. Agree with me. We're all a part of God's body. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive. Come on, somebody just wave your hands today. You are important to me. I need you to survive. Come on, sing it one more time to hear me sing it. I need you. You need me. We're all a part of God's body. Stand with me. Say agree with me.
Agree with me.
Come on, say we're all a part.
We're all a part of God's body. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive.
You are important to me. I need you to survive. Come on, notice like a sweet sound of the name of Jesus. Come on. Important to me. I need you to survive. Now, come on, let's say I pray for you. You pray for me. I love you. I need you to survive. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you. I need you to survive. For you, you pray for me. I love you. I need you to survive. I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you. I need you to say, I pray for you.
I pray for you.
You pray for me.
Pray for
Come on, somebody say, we gonna watch God change this thing together.
I need you to
See, I
pray for
pray. You pray for me.
Pray for me.
We gonna watch God change it. I need. Say, I pray.
I pray.
You pray for me.
Pray for me.
Yes, Lord. I need you. Say, I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love you. I need, come on, say it is in His will. It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive. You are important to me. I need you to survive.